Should you use septic tank treatment? Septic tanks are an essential part of many homes and businesses, responsible for managing wastewater. Over time, waste can accumulate in the tank, potentially causing clogs, odors, and expensive repairs. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. This is where septic tank treatments come into play. But are they necessary? What is septic tank treatment? Septic tank treatments are products designed to help break down waste and maintain a healthy septic system. These treatments typically contain bacteria or enzymes that promote the natural decomposition process, helping to prevent clogs and reduce sludge buildup. Benefits of using septic tank treatment. 1. Improved functionality. Septic tank treatments help break down waste more effectively, improving the system's efficiency and reducing the risk of backups or slow drainage. 2. Extended system life. Regular treatments can reduce wear and tear, extending the life of your septic tank and preventing costly repairs. 3. Environmental protection. Treatments can help prevent untreated wastewater from contaminating the soil and groundwater, supporting environmental health. 4. Reduced odors. Effective waste decomposition minimizes odors from the septic tank, making your home more pleasant. Choosing the right septic tank treatment. When selecting a septic tank treatment, consider the type of treatment that will work best for your system. There are two main types: chemical and biological treatments. 1. Chemical treatments often use harsh chemicals to break down waste, but they can damage beneficial bacteria in your tank. 2. Biological treatments contain natural bacteria or enzymes that work with your system to aid waste breakdown, making them a safer long-term solution. Ensure that the treatment you choose is compatible with your system and follow the manufacturer's instructions to avoid overuse. Are they necessary? If your septic system is well maintained and functioning properly, treatment may not be required. However, if you notice issues like slow draining or odor, treatment could help. In cases of older or underperforming systems, septic tank treatments can be a useful preventive measure. Septic tank treatments offer several benefits, including improved efficiency, odor control, and system longevity. While not always necessary, they can help maintain a healthy septic system when used appropriately. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.